Alright, what's going on, you duty heads? Today is Thursday, and I'm by myself right now. They are going to the store real quick, but while they are at the store, I am making I am making pumpkin pie blizzards. So right now what I've gotten in here, this is vanilla ice cream. I think it's about a half a gallon that was left out of a gallon. So we put a whole can of pumpkin in there, and you gotta put some, I'm using my phone right now so I can't look at the recipe, but for a 16 ounce, if you want to make a 16 ounce, you gotta do 2 cups of ice cream, 1/4 cup of pumpkin, I think a half teaspoon of pumpkin spice, a half teaspoon of the ground nutmeg, or any kind of nutmeg, I guess, and vanilla wafers. But first you gotta mix the pumpkin spice, the pumpkin, and the ice cream all together until it's smooth, and then you crush up these and you put them in there, and then when you got it in your bowl, you just sprinkle the nutmeg over, I guess. But I'm kind of winging it because we're fat people and over here and don't like to follow the instructions. So yeah, I keep looking at my screen. I should be looking at you guys. Okay, let's get into the day. Alright, I have got it all mixed. I got some of the vanilla wafers in there. I just crushed up the rest of these and put them in there. I don't know how much pumpkin spice I used, but it tastes like pumpkin to me. So just do whatever you think is good for you, I guess. So I'm gonna add these in here. There's still some whole ones. I still gotta crush them. Kind of hard to do a hole in the phone. You're also going to use whipped cream. So, I'm going to finish doing this and I'll get back to you. Alright, so now that it's all done, it's still liquidy, so you got to put it back in the freezer. Oh. Sorry, Amber. But yeah, just put it back in the freezer and wait for it to get thick again. So let's do that right now. Okay.
My Superman shorts, and you can't have them. Sorry.
No, first it was like Snoopy, that one vlog. Now it's Superman.
I'm a Batman fan, so.
Yeah, where's the Batman stuff?
I know. Of course, Walmart didn't have it when I was looking for them. Like I said, now they got. Remember, we were in Walmart, and I said, "Look, now there's Batman."
Oh yeah.
I had to sell for Superman.
All right. Well, he's.
Always my Superman shit that I'm not wearing right now.
Yeah.
These used to be Jimmy pants, and I cut the.
Oh really?
Yeah. Used to be Jimmy pants. I just cut them down because I wanted some like shorts, like comfortable. So.
Well, the guys are back. Making some hot dogs and chili. Some chili dogs.
Chili dog.
Got that dog food going.
Dog
That
food.
chili dog.
Some cheese sauce.
I can't wait to eat
Yeah.
some food.
Just Oh.
I wanted to eat some
For
food.
some onions. What'd you say, Ryan? What'd you say?
No.
Make some onions?
No.
Yeah. You know what's really good on the hot dog? Next time you make a chili dog, get some Funyuns. Crush them up. Put the chili on the hot dog. Crush some Funyuns up on top. And a Funyun burger. It's a hamburger. Instead of putting onion on it, put Funyun on it.
Ew.
Oh. Give it a little kick to it. Get the flaming hot Funyuns.
It's gross.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. I am fat. That was it? Oh. I didn't. When you asked me, or when I asked you where the stuff was, you set up by the shed. I thought you meant actually in the shed.
Oh no, I already got another piece. Let's put it on the hill.
Well, we just watched the new Outlaw music video, and it's pretty sweet. It's hilarious. If you want to go see it, go check it out at Outlaw's channel, youtube.com/outlaw. So, links below for that video. So anyways, we're going to take these Halloween decorations up to the house and look through them. See what we can find. Get the whole decorations set up. Yeah. I look weird right now. Oh man. There's some big boxes. Oh, this one ain't got like nothing in it. This one ain't got nothing in it. This one ain't got like nothing in it.
Pumpkin shaped cupcake container thing here.
Oh. Well. Now I gotta walk off the frame.
Okay.
I'm just doing what Outlaw's doing. That he does all the time, so. I freaking hate these things so much.
Itsy bitsy spider crawled into mama's bed.
Look, he's making a web right now.
Climbed up on her hubby and bit him on the head.
You can see it perfectly on the camera, look. You can see him making the web. See it?
Wow.
He gets it out and then he uses his leg and puts it in the on there.
See that? Do that with it.
He like pushes it with his leg.
It's a she.
I don't know how to tell spiders apart.
Now look and see if it's a he or she.
Yeah.
If anybody can tell if this is a he or she, please comment below.
Oh god, I think I scared it. Huh. It's pretty cool though. Well, these things, they freaking come out at night, and then with all these freaking webs, and then in the morning you come out, they're gone as long as, or I don't know, what's that in my shoe?
Yep, spot.
Huh?
Yep, it's a spider.
No, it's not.
Yeah, right there.
Hey, it's on my shoe.
No, I don't know what it is, but it ain't no spider.
No.
I'm just messing with you.
Oh, where'd that spider go? So, there you go. Alright, the ice cream is done. It smells so good. Oh my god.